Hello, this is OES-store.com. You can also find us on the web at www.oes-solutions.com. Today we're on a Kyocera P2040DW, and we're just going to show you how to replace supplies. In order to replace the paper drawer easily slides out. At that point you can then install paper. There are guides on the side just to make sure it's nice and tight against the paper. There's a guide in the rear that allows you to run legal size paper. You can push a button and extend this tray out to put legal size paper. Right now we're using 8.5 by 11 paper. It then sits flat on the tabletop and then slides directly back into the machine. To replace the toner, developer, or drum units, you simply open the front door, open the top door, and press the blue button here, and you will see the toner rotate forward. Grasp the toner unit and remove it from the machine. Next is your developer unit. There's a letter A and a lever on the left hand side. Push down on the lever A and you'll see the unit pop up. Grasp the unit and it slides directly out of the machine. Notice the angle in which it comes out of the machine and set it aside. Lastly is your drum unit, which is noted with a letter B on each side. With fingers on either side, grasp the B and pull this unit out. Again, notice the angle in which it comes out of the machine and set it aside. To replace those units, unbox your brand new drum units and reverse the procedure. Grab the B's, notice the angle, slide it into the machine. You may have to wiggle it a little to get it in place and then snap it all the way back in place. Next, your developer unit. After unboxing your new developer unit, notice the angle, slide it into the machine, press it until it clicks down into position. And then the last item, of course, is our toner unit. The toner, same angle, slides in. Don't forget to lock it in place. Close the top, close the front. You'll hear the machine cycle up and it's ready to go.